Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to generate barcode in Microsoft Excel. So as you see here, I have my barcode here. So I need to print out all this barcode with the barcode font in here. So the first one in my Microsoft Excel did not have the barcode font, so I need to download it. But before I download it, I need to prepare the format of using barcode fonts. So the format, I just prepare it to start like this. Okay, equals, you put a string and you add star key or asterisk key. Yes, you can say very simple is star key by press shift and star keys, and then we click add, and then you put the value. Where is your barcode? Here, barcode is B3, so I put B3 S and add star at the end. Okay, so here is the format of using the barcode font. If you do not put star like this, it means that the barcode reader device cannot recognize, cannot read it. So you need to put it. It's very important. So I just enter. Okay, that's correct with my form. And then you see this side, you just click on it and drag it down. Yeah, I prepare it already. So the next step, I will download the barcode font to add it on this one. Okay, so I go to the Google. Actually, you can use many barcode font. There are a lot, but in this case, I use 3 of 9 or barcode font. Yes, and you can use another barcode also. So I click on this. Okay, I start to download it. Okay, I open it. I extract it here. So where is it? Okay, let me create one folder. Okay, I pass it and extract it again. Okay, so you see here, I install this one. You click on it and then install it. Okay, that finished. So I move back to Microsoft Excel. I just to test with this cell, try to find age of 9. It don't have, so I need to refresh it. So I save it in my desktop. Okay, I close it and I open it again. Times 3. Okay, that we just install it immediately. So during the Excel file is open, so the Excel file is not refresh it, so you need to close it and open it again. It will refresh and catch the barcode name in this one. So you see here, just choose this barcode and enter. Yes, that's right. So okay, so I need to select all of these, and then I put that barcode 3 of 9, just enter it. Yes, it's perfect. And then I want to resize it. Okay, you can change it. Okay, to make it bigger, you can use here. Yes, that's good. So this is how to generate barcode font in Microsoft Excel. So thank you for watching.